degree. So 2x plus m, measure of angle B, gives me 90 degree. So I will put here not the 2x to the other side. So measure of angle B 90 minus 2x. So how can I solve this? Very easy one. I have here what? The measure of one of the acute angles in a right triangle is 63.7. What's the measure of the other acute angle? So let again here another kind. Let angles B and A, angle A with measure of angle A 63.7. So I have here to find measure of angle B. So 63.7, which is measure of angle A plus measure of angle B that I do not know, equals to what? I will put 63.7 to the other side, then subtract 90 minus 63.7 gives me measure of angle B. And I have here another question. Measure of one of the acute angles in a right triangle is x. What's the measure of the other acute angle? So one of the x here means x plus measure of angle B gives me 90. So measure of angle B equals what? 90 minus the here x. Okay guys, I have here another question, so you can do this. Interior and exterior, here the interior is the set of all points inside the figure, of course. Interior. Exterior, it means that the set of all points outside. Here we have outside, this is the exterior 4, interior 1, 2 and 3. I have here okay, I have here each exterior angle has two remote interior angles. A remote interior angles is interior angle that's not adjacent. Okay, let's see how. So if I say 4, angle 4 is an exterior angle. To what? Two angles 1 and 2, not to angle 3. Okay guys, so when I say angle 4, it's exterior angles for what? The remote. The remote means the here the far one. So I will take 1 and 2. So it's here for 1 and 2. Can I take 3? No. Okay, for the remote. Remember that. Let's have an example. Measure angle AM. Here applying the exterior angle theorem. Here find angle B. Let's see where angle B. Okay, the remote. Okay, the exterior one. So I have here, it's no, this is exterior or interior? Interior, because it's inside. Okay, it's inside, so it's called interior. So if I ask you here to find this one, I will say that the exterior here angle, which is angle BCD, which is represented by what? 5x minus 60 equals to what? 15 plus 2x plus 3. So I will add here the 15 plus 3 gives me 18. 18 plus 2x equal what? 5x minus 60. I will put the x's together. 5x here minus 2x gives me 3x, and the negative 60 goes to the other side by positive. So, and the summation will be 78. We have here 78 equal 3x. Divide both sides by 3 gives you x equal 26. Then you can have now the measure of angle B by substituting the value of x, which is 26, in this equation. I have another equation. Let's another problem. I have to find measure of angle ACD. So ACD, it's an exterior angle. Exterior angle means that I'm going to add the two interior angles together to get it. The same idea, guys. It's easy. Okay, and I have here the third angle theorem. What's the third angle theorem? I have here, if two angles of a triangle are congruent, we have here two angles of one triangle are congruent to the two angles to the of the other triangle. So the two here so I have here the third pair of angles are congruent. So if we have here two angles congruent to the other two angles, the third one must be congruent. And how can we solve it? By what? By here solving this problem. Measure of angle K and measure of angle J. find measure of angle K and measure of angle J. So I have here two angles. Each two angles here are congruent. Therefore, the third one will be congruent to the other. So measure of angle K equal measure of angle J, and we will write them in by using equations. 4y squared equal what? 6y squared minus 40. So I will solve equation here. 4y squared will go to the other side by negative, so it gives me 2y squared equal 40. So y squared equal 20. So here I have y squared equal 20. So measure of angle K is what? 4y squared, 4 times 20 squared, 4 times just 20, because here it's already with 20. So 4 times 20, 80, and measure of angle K equal measure of angle J will be the same, 80. Okay guys, by this we covered this lesson. Okay, I hope you understood everything. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.